Ever wondered how to make your daily commute or weekend escapades more exciting, efficient, and eco-friendly? Welcome the NAVEE Electric Scooter, a blend of power, comfort, and safety wrapped into a stylish package. Feel the swift and efficient travel with its powerful 600W motor, propelling you to speeds of up to 19 miles per hour. A high-capacity battery powers your journey, offering a range of 25 to 30 miles. Supporting a maximum load of 220 pounds, it caters to riders of all sizes. Comfort is key with the NAVEE. Its 10 by 2.125-inch pneumatic tires are shock-absorbing and flat-proof, ensuring a smooth ride. The large deck with a soft anti-skid silicone pad keeps your feet relaxed, making long rides a breeze. Safety comes first. The NAVEE scooter is UL 2272 certified, meeting safety and performance standards. With 40 lux ultra-bright headlights illuminating up to 10 to 15 meters, your visibility is enhanced. A bright taillight, dual brake system, and an IPX4 waterproof rating add to your safety. Keep a tab on your ride with the 3.9 inches smart display showing current speed, speed mode, cruise control, odometer, and battery life. Control and lock the scooter with the app, courtesy of the Bluetooth connection. Despite its power and features, the NAVEE Electric Scooter is lightweight and portable, weighing just 32 pounds. Fold it, carry it with one hand, and store it easily in your car trunk or office. Enjoy peace of mind with US-based professional 24-hour online service, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and warranties on different parts. The NAVEE Electric Scooter is not just a means of travel, it's an experience. An experience of freedom, convenience, and fun. So what are you waiting for? Make the NAVEE Electric Scooter your commuting and outdoor adventure companion today.